Hello, friend. Welcome back. We are continue for the category list. Before category list completed, we just missed one big item. Actually, here is this. There is a bulk delete. Bulk delete means I just go to the admin dashboard here. Look at that. You just deleted bulk related action. Okay. So this. We just I just skip for this function. Actually, I'm just forgotten for that. But don't worry, I promise that step by step I will showing is and everything, every module in here, not an incompleted here. So completing this type of deleted, we just put up Java simple jQuery action. So now go to the VS Code and should take. Here is our VS Code, and here look at that. Here is our table, and now we just keep for add deleted power deleted option. Now put into in here. Just in there. Okay, and now we just need for look at that. Here is this. We just put for the bar delete button. Now in here we just put the script for bulk delete item. So now just go to in there. So first of all, we just put for another script, different script, and yes, and document.ready function we just put in here. So now here and there. So before this, we need for handle check all toggle. So handle check all toggle means here we just put a commit for every step for just easy to understand. Okay. Now check all that click function. Go close to the parenthesis, and now this is a single checkbox check pop up checked, and here we just put for toggle or delete button. That's fine. Now handle individual checkbox changes. Here, so this is single checkbox on change function, and here for there, and if single checkbox checks length, dot length look like in there, and just put in there. So check all for true, and else it will be false. Okay, now toggle button delete. Toggle function delete button. Function toggle bulk delete button, and here uh, just delete single checked and bold delete button show and hide and show function and yes and put for else we just for bold delete button hide. Perfect. Perfect. This is a hide hidden button and just for format the document. Perfect. Perfect. And now handle button click delete option. So okay, and this is a bold delete button on click function. On click function and here okay. So let's selected file single checkbox in the map function. Map function. So return this value and here and dot get function. How this will get function. Let return this value and get function. Okay, now this is a sweet alert. Okay, just I just pass a sweet alert only. I just copy and paste there and yes and boom. It's nothing. It's a simple sweet alert and is here. This is the result. Don't worry. You just get the all available code for the GitHub in here. I just share already. So though you if you face have any error, so please. So now send the ASOX request to delete like in here and here. So now the ls method is called in here. So there and this is the there and URL first, URL first, then method, then method. So then data, then data. Perfect. After completing the data, this is the function response. Function response and here and this is the swirl.fire and this is the swirl.fire and boom and boom. Perfect. This is the sweet alert and now this is the toast as well. Print here dot then and this is the parenthesis. So okay. Now before this, here is this. Here is the is the icon, and go to our web.php. Supposed to be web.php, and put the route, and then go to the controller logic as well. Before this route, we just for this route just bulk delete, and here is this here is this category controller, and here we just before this we just declare the function for bulk delete for category look like in here, and just so first grab the of all array id. Because of that, here is this multiple data will be passed in here. Okay, so now this is the array id and count as well id, and there's nothing in here. We just continue for this for loop as well. And here is this, and here is this, passing the for is id, and this is the category, and this is the category. Fine. If category, if category, then close, or because this first unlink image if it exists, yes. Now if category is image, no, 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 category this images, close the parenthesis. Now the image path, and this is the image path, and if file is existent file is image path, looks like in here, and boom, and this is the unlink image as well. Perfect, perfect. Now delete category, unlink the image, separate bracket, and there's separate bracket, and now this thumbnail. Delete category, that's fine. uh, so before this, now that's the return redirect, and now else status will be false, and now this the things. Okay, and now check if everything is perfect or not. Go to the browser. I hope it will. Now first of all, go to the add new and create the dummy one. Just test. Now save, and here look at that. So delete selected, and perfect, perfect. Okay, just keep wait. I hope it will be work. Boom. So everything is completed, and all of this entire categories list will be perfectly done. And after completing, now definitely in we are moving the products. So I hope you love it. You love guys for this tutorial. So please give me for small support. So likes, and just put of your valuable comment if you want to keep going up this tutorial series is going on, or not. So really your small contribution give me and inspire a lot to making this video. To be honest, making this video is really take a lots of time. So humble request, if you really watch this video, so please keep likes and beside with me. Thank you so much for your